Learning to drive is just the beginning. Driving schools teach you the basics, like steering, braking, and following traffic rules. But there are many hidden tricks that can make you a much safer and smarter driver. From saving fuel to avoiding accidents, these tips go beyond the classroom. In this video, we'll reveal 10 driving tricks they don't teach in driving schools that can make every drive easier, safer, and more confident. The 3-second rule for safe following. Many new drivers don't realize how crucial it is to maintain a safe distance from the car ahead. Driving schools teach general spacing rules, but few focus on the 3-second rule, one of the simplest yet most effective safety measures. Pick a fixed point on the road, like a tree or sign. When the car ahead passes it, count 1001, 1002, 1003. If you reach it before finishing, you are too close. Maintaining this gap gives time to react to sudden braking or hazards. In poor weather, increase the gap to 5 or 6 seconds. Using the 3-second rule prevents rear-end collisions and helps anticipate traffic. With practice, it becomes second nature, making your driving safer and more relaxed. Scanning the road ahead. Most driving courses focus on watching the car directly in front of you, but experienced drivers know looking farther ahead is key. Try scanning the road 200 to 300 meters ahead whenever possible. This helps you spot brake lights, pedestrians, debris, or obstacles before they become urgent. Noticing early allows gradual speed adjustments, smoother braking, and better fuel efficiency. Keep your eyes moving. Check mirrors, glance ahead, and monitor your sides. This reduces blind spots and improves awareness. Drivers who scan ahead react faster, anticipate traffic flow, and handle lane changes smoothly. Over time, this practice becomes second nature, making driving safer, more relaxed, and efficient, while reducing accident risks and preparing you for unexpected situations. The art of smooth braking. In driving schools, you are taught to press the brake when stopping, but few instructors focus on smooth braking, which is vital for safe, comfortable driving. Abrupt braking can startle drivers behind, increase brake wear, and even cause skidding, especially in wet conditions. Smooth braking starts with anticipation. When traffic slows, lift your foot off the accelerator and let the car slow naturally before gently pressing the brake. For longer stops, gradually increase pressure instead of slamming. This improves safety, passenger comfort, reduces fuel use, and prevents vehicle stress. Practicing smooth braking consistently helps control the car, lowers collision risk, and allows calm responses to traffic changes. Over time, it becomes second nature, making every drive safer, smoother, and more efficient. Mastering the blind spot check. Blind spots are areas around your car that mirrors cannot show, and neglecting them can cause serious accidents. Driving schools teach mirror use, but many drivers forget to turn their heads to check the lane they want to enter, especially on highways or busy roads. Always glance over your shoulder before lane changes to ensure nothing is in your blind spot. Many experienced drivers also adjust side mirrors slightly outward to reduce blind spots and improve visibility. Practicing these checks consistently allows safer, more confident lane changes, even in heavy traffic. Combining mirror adjustment with head checks reduces the risk of side collisions, increases awareness, and makes driving smoother and safer. Over time, these habits become automatic, making lane changes less stressful for you and other drivers. The pull and release steering technique. In driving schools, you are taught to hold the steering wheel firmly and turn it. However, controlling your steering during emergency maneuvers is a skill often overlooked. The pull and release, or hand-over-hand technique, is a safe method for turning sharp corners or avoiding obstacles. To use this technique, place both hands on the wheel and pull one side down while the other hand crosses over. Then release and allow the crossed hand to continue the turn. This ensures maximum control and precision, especially in tight spots. Mastering this trick reduces the risk of oversteering or losing control. It's particularly useful in city driving, with narrow streets or during sudden, evasive maneuvers. Many accidents happen because drivers don't know how to control the car during a sharp turn. This technique can prevent that. Fuel-saving acceleration. Driving schools teach how to accelerate, but few teach how to accelerate efficiently. Smooth, gradual acceleration uses less fuel than flooring the pedal from a standstill. Start by pressing the accelerator slowly, letting the car gain momentum naturally. On highways, accelerate to match traffic speed without sudden bursts. Avoid unnecessary stops and anticipate traffic lights to reduce braking. This method saves gas, reduces wear on the engine, and creates a smoother ride for passengers. Drivers who learn fuel-efficient acceleration can save hundreds of dollars annually on fuel costs, and it's also better for the environment. Small changes in acceleration habits make a surprisingly large difference over time. Emergency lane changes. Few driving courses teach how to handle emergency lane changes. If a car suddenly stops ahead, swerving into an adjacent lane safely can prevent a crash, but it requires proper technique. Before changing lanes quickly, check mirrors and blind spots, signal, and accelerate smoothly into the new lane. Don't oversteer. Keep a firm grip on the wheel and maintain control. Practice in low-traffic areas if possible to build confidence. Knowing how to execute emergency lane changes can prevent collisions in highways and busy streets. It's a skill that turns panic situations into controlled reactions, making you a much safer driver. Understanding vehicle dynamics. Driving schools rarely teach vehicle dynamics, how your car reacts to weight transfer, braking, and acceleration. Understanding this can prevent skidding, rollovers, and loss of control. When you brake, weight shifts forward. During acceleration, it shifts backward, and turning causes lateral shifts. By anticipating these changes, you can drive more smoothly and safely. Braking before a corner keeps the car stable, while accelerating mid-turn can lead to oversteer. Knowing vehicle dynamics improves handling in all weather and road conditions, helping drivers react faster, maintain stability, and avoid accidents caused by overconfidence or poor judgment. Parking like a pro. Parking is a skill many drivers overlook. Driving schools cover basic parallel and reverse parking, but mastering precision parking saves time and reduces stress. Scan the area and plan your angles. Make small, controlled adjustments rather than abrupt turns. Use lines, curbs, or cars as reference points. Back slowly while checking mirrors to avoid bumps. Good parking habits help in tight streets and crowded lots. It's not just about protecting your car. It's about staying calm and confident. With practice, precision parking becomes second nature, making every maneuver smoother and less stressful. Defensive driving. Defensive driving is the ultimate trick that schools touch on lightly but rarely emphasize in depth. It means expecting the unexpected and being prepared to react safely at all times. Always keep an eye on other drivers, anticipate sudden stops, and maintain safe distances. Avoid distractions, such as phones or loud music, and stay aware of pedestrians, cyclists, and road hazards. Use mirrors frequently and think several steps ahead of the average driver. Defensive driving saves lives. It's not just about following rules. It's about reading the road, understanding human behavior, and making decisions that reduce risks. The best drivers are not the fastest. They are the most aware, cautious, and proactive in avoiding danger. Mastering these driving tricks can make a huge difference in your safety, confidence, and overall driving experience. While schools teach the basics, real-world tips like these help you handle unexpected situations, save fuel, and drive smarter every day. Remember, being a great driver is not just about following rules. It's about staying alert, making wise choices, and always improving your skills.